What's up guys, welcome back to another brand new Git tricks videos. In this video I'll be talking about Git Status. We use very often Git Status, but today I want to show you how well do we actually understand this particular command that I have run. If you analyze this command, it basically gives a lot of information. For example, you are currently on this branch, which is main branch, and if you look at here, my local commits is basically 3 commits ahead from my remote repository. What it means, basically I did 3 commits but I did not push them to my origin. Okay, so this is what it means, meaning that I have got 3 commits ahead of my remote repository. So that's what it's exactly telling you. So 3 commits, and it's telling you that hey, you do a git push to publish your local commits, but I don't want to do it. I want to show you a little bit more stuff right there. And right here you can see this particular file I have modified, so which is basically this. This is why this information is basically presented right there. And then you can see untracked file. Whatever changes I make to these particular files, they are not going to be added to the index. So how do we actually do a shortcut version of these things? So in Git, if you know it or not, if I run this command, this is going to be exactly the same thing, meaning that this is the default behavior, meaning that the long version of it. So what happens if I actually run let me clear this up, and if I actually run the shorter version, so this is what I'm going to be saying, meaning that this particular file is modified. M means modified. If you see D, it means deleted. If it is A, it means added. And the question mark means that these are the untracked files. So what happens if if you run S, is the shorter version of it, is the same. So what happens if I want to actually run this command, B? You can see this time is telling me because B means branch. So you could basically write branch branch. So it's going to be telling you which branch you are on currently and how many commits you are ahead from your remote repository. So now it's telling me that I am 3 commits ahead, right? So what happens if I actually run this command uno? Look at this untracked file, which I'm not pushing to my remote repository, is basically discarded. It's not actually showing right now. If I run this no ahead behind, you can see this time it's telling you is different, meaning that my local commits are not basically matched to my remote commits, meaning that I have got 3 commits ahead. This is why it's basically different. This is the status actually is giving you, meaning that you have got 3 commits that you did not push. So this is what actually you can do. Then you can also do this one, ahead behind. This is gonna give you also this particular information. In this time it's actually giving you this stuff like 3 commits ahead, but here it doesn't say how many commits you were ahead. So this is what I wanted to show you today. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.